As all of you know, this wasn't just to be come out and to have fun to party in. It's to pay respect to our veterans and our fallen. Rolling Thunder began on Memorial Day weekend in 1988 to raise awareness to prisoners of war and the missing in action from the Vietnam War, who were largely forgotten. This demonstration is aimed to hold the government accountable.
The roar of these engines is the voice of those who have been silenced. We rev these.
We rev for the families of the fallen who know they are not forgotten. We do this for the brothers and the sisters still listed as missing. We do this for the families who have never gotten their answers. When we twist that throttle, you're sending a message to Valhalla and the halls of the power. You are not forgotten. Some call it a noise. We call it a reminder. To those who have made it home, it is a tribute. To those who are lost, it is a beacon. Let the thunder roll until they all come home. Ladies and gentlemen, let us wake the dead.
5, 4, 3.